Today, we're taking a look at the Jet Performance Products PowerFlow Mass Air Sensor for the 2011 to 2020 6.2 liter F-150 Super Duty and the 2017 to 2020 6.7 liter Power Stroke F-250 Super Duty. This is ideal for truck owners seeking to enhance throttle response, horsepower, and fuel efficiency by replacing that restrictive factory mass flow air sensor with a high-performance alternative. This Jet PowerFlow Mass Air Sensor is engineered to optimize your truck's air intake system. It's designed to allow up to 45% more airflow compared to that stock sensor. This improvement in airflow is going to give you enhanced horsepower, torque, and potentially even better fuel economy. This sensor is especially beneficial for vehicles equipped with aftermarket modifications like cold air intakes, throttle body spacers, or free flow exhaust systems, as it's going to help those components perform at their full potential. With updated electronics pre-installed in the sensor, this thing ensures precise readings and seamless integration with your vehicle's computer system. Its design maintains the original equipment specifications and is going to give you a direct fit installation without the need for any additional mods. Also, the sensor is compatible with computer upgrades, making it a versatile choice for various performance enhancement setups. Built to last, the Jet PowerFlow Mass Air Sensor features durable materials that withstand the rigors of daily driving in harsh environments. Its robust construction ensures longevity, while the advanced electronics provide accurate airflow measurements for optimal engine performance. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that low 200s price range, offering a cost-effective solution for those looking to improve their Ford truck's performance. The installation is very simple and straightforward, so it's getting just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in 30 minutes or less of your time. The sensor is designed for a direct replacement of that factory unit. You just simply disconnect the old sensor, plug this one in, and attach the wires. Now, let's check out an install video from an American Trucks customer.
Today we'll be installing a Jet Performance Products Mass Airflow Sensor, which is this item right here, and we'll be installing it on a 2017 F-250 with an S&B cold air intake system. The box comes with the part, with installation instructions to a QR code, and we've downloaded the instructions from the internet and printed them out for our reference. We'll be using a small Phillips screwdriver and a small offset Phillips screwdriver. This is the S&B cold air intake for the Ford F-250. The mass airflow sensor is located on the back side of the intake. In order to remove the connector, you'll have to pull the red tab out of the connector and then pull the plug from the mass airflow sensor. Okay, we'll pull the small red tab, remove the connector, take your offset screwdriver and remove the bottom screw. Small screwdriver, remove the top screw. Remove the mass airflow sensor. Install the rubber gasket onto the new part. Install the mass airflow sensor into the S&B intake. Install a plug. Push all the way in and push your locking tab in. The last step in the installation procedures is to start the vehicle and make sure there's no engine check light. And as we see, there's no engine check light. Installation was successful.
All right, that wraps up my review and install of the Jet Performance Products PowerFlow Mass Air Sensor for the 2011 to 2020 6.2 liter F-150 Super Duties and the 2017 to 2020 6.7 liter Power Stroke F-250 Super Duty. And for all things Ford trucks, keep it right here at American Trucks.